Hi guys, today we're gonna unboxing stuff. We're gonna be unboxing stuff, like slime. So and then we're gonna move on to the cubes later. But right for now, we're gonna see what's in the Spider-Man egg. Oh wait, I guess it is true. It is true. I guess there is slime. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this, guys. Oh, it looks so funny. All right, I heard that it makes a fart sound. Do you guys hear that fart sound? You can hear it, like, see? You can hear it. Look. Wait. You could heard it earlier, right? Like, you guys could have heard it earlier, right? You see, you hear it. Like, see, you guys heard it, right? All right, let's just get the slime out and let's see what's in there. I feel something. There's like, I heard a ball inside. Like, I felt like a ball. Like, there's a ball inside. I'm gonna put it in the bowl. And look, wait, do you guys see that? Look, the bowl came out. Oh my god, it came out. Let's see. It's a Brachiosaurus inside a tiny little it's inside something, but I don't know, it's like a tiny ball. I'm gonna put it right here, and then let me see what's in here. And oh look, it has spiders inside. It has spiders. Like, look at this. Oh my god, this looks so cool. All right, okay, but look, I was gonna show you guys something, but I completely forgot, but I know it now. So look, if I put this inside the thing, look what, if you leave some outside, look what you get. Wait, let me just put it in. It's kind of hard to put it in because there's a bunch of slime in here. Like, oh my god, there's a bunch. Okay. Wait, you guys heard the fart sound again? That's funny. Look, if you leave some out, like, just leave it like this. Look. It looks like one of those slime videos you guys used to watch when you were little. Oh my god. Okay. Now let's move on to the cube. Oh my god, it's making fart sounds. Oh my god, it's actually kind of hard to put in. Yeah, it's just breaking in there. What the heck? I can't put it in. Okay, let me just put it in the bowl for now. Alright, let's check the cube now. The moment you guys been waiting for. Oh wait, look at the blue one first. Look at that. Oh my god, that's a beautiful color. It looks like an ocean color. Looks like an ocean color. Alright, let's check the little cube, purple. Oh, look at that color. It looks like a galaxy. You guys, you know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of one of those games that you like, it's like blocks you have to drop. So like I don't know if you're understanding what I'm saying right now. It's like this. You drop a little, like, it's like a mini game. Like, you guys know these games that you play when you guys were little? Like, you drop it, and then you have to make a square. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but I remember those games. Those games were fun. I forgot the name, but they're like really fun to play. You have to stack them. All right. Now let's move on to the orange color. Look at this color. It looks like an icy color. It has an icy color. Like it's kind of like a mixture of gold and orange, because it has the gold sprinkles and yellow. Oh, wait, look, it has a little bit of green sprinkles if you guys can't see it. All right, let's move on to the yellow cubes. Let's see. Wait. Look at this color. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. And okay, and then this is the smaller color. Wait, everything's sticky. If you do not know that, everything's sticky in this. And look at this color. Oh look, I had them like this, but I don't know what, but it looks like someone touching. I don't know if you guys can see. It kind of looks like someone touch. It looks like someone touching a toilet. And then let's move on to the other color, which is like green. But wait, I need to put this back because it's kind of hard to put back, guys. It's really sticky, so it's like it sticks everywhere, guys. Trust me. If you stick it onto the wall, you ain't getting that thing back. All right, let's move on to the pink color. Oh, whoa, wow! Wait, this is a beautiful. It's like a beautiful color. Mixture with green and then a little bit gold. It has a little bit of yellow or green. If you guys can't see it. All right, the last color, green. Wow, this green. Wait, this green looks like a field of green. It's like a field of green color. Look. Wow, it's so cool. I hope you guys liked the end of my video. Bye.